Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to talk about a brand I've mentioned before, Kerastase, which is a very well-known luxury hair care product and brand. So this is one of my favorite oils. It's called the Elixir Ultime L'Huile Original. And you get about 50 milliliters. And I'm just going to read some of the ingredients off for you. I like that this bottle is small and compact and it's travel size. I'm sure you can get it in the larger, but this one comes with a lot of the package deals when you get a bunch of products together. It could be a holiday set, it could be a spring set. This usually comes. And I love this size. It's very compact. You can put it in your carry-on, you can just take it with you easily. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you a little bit of the product. So they put, I believe there is Camelia oil, oleifera seed oil, sclerocara birria seed oil, a lot of different types of seed oil. But as you can see, the product is very rich. It's a very thick consistency, but it doesn't feel too greasy. I like to put it in my hair in the ends even after I get out the shower. And it smells very beautiful. It smells like jasmine and chrysanthemum. Very fresh, very floral. So if you're not into fragrances, I would definitely skip this product. But again, high quality, great brand. And it's honestly like a smaller size of the larger packaging that they have, but this is a cult favorite, a fan favorite. And again, I'm just going to show you a little bit what the color looks like and the consistency. So definitely purchase it. You can buy the small size in the holiday sets if you're not sure about buying the full size yet. But if you happen to purchase it, let us know in the comments what you think. It honestly improved the quality of my hair dramatically. I have colored, damaged hair that's often breaking. And when I'm using this product consistently, I do see that there's less damage, that there's less breakage, and it's overall healthier. So if you're looking to achieve healthy hair without a greasy formula, that you can wear day to day, you can just put one pump into the ends of your hair and it will have the hair feeling very, very silky, luxurious, high quality with a great shine. So if you enjoyed watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updated hair care, skin care, and lifestyle videos. Thanks so much for watching.